From a small Japanese village to the streets of the world, this is the story of how a poor boy turned his dream into an empire. Honda, in 1906. Soichiro Honda was born in a tiny village in Shizuoka, Japan. His family ran a bicycle repair shop, but money was always tight. Little did anyone know, this boy's obsession with machines would change history. As a child, he was fascinated by the sound of engines. When he saw his first car, he ran for miles just to get a glimpse of it. That spark of curiosity never faded. At just 15, Soichiro left home to work in a Tokyo garage. He had no formal education, only determination. He learned by doing, fixing cars, building engines, and sometimes failing spectacularly. After World War II, Japan's economy was shattered, but Soichiro saw opportunity. He attached small engines to bicycles, giving birth to affordable motorized transport. The Honda Motor Company was born in 1948. His motorcycles were fast, reliable, and cheap, soon dominating the world. By the 1960s, Honda became the largest motorcycle manufacturer on Earth. But Soichiro didn't stop there. He took on the car industry, producing fuel-efficient, reliable cars like the Civic and Accord, reshaping how the world thought about Japanese engineering. From a poor boy in a small village to a global innovator, Soichiro Honda proved that dreams, hard work, and relentless passion can drive you anywhere. This was the inspiring journey of Honda. Which legendary innovator should we cover next? Subscribe for more untold stories.